They do have some really cool shirts there at the RC Sailors, and they have a brand new one now that they just came up with, so redesigned. So all great stuff. But today what we're going to really talk about is another thing that's awesome, which is this here thing. It is for AirPods. If you guys have AirPods, I don't have AirPods, can't afford AirPods, but anyway, AirPods like these are extra cool because the old style AirPod had a funky thing, so it didn't really fit in my ear very well. But this, it has a nicer sort of fit there for the ears. So they changed the old design to fit your ears better. At least I think that they've gone a better route with that. But anyway, if you do have what is it? AirPods Pro, this is a case for you. And come on.
Likey.